Well, it does actually bring a great sense of pride to the culinary team here and also the Silver Cross Hospital itself. It's a great organization.
We went into wanting to place first place. Our expectation also was bringing the first place award back to Silver Cross. Other than that, we just wanted to have fun.
Well, I was only expecting one, but it was amazing, to get two. So, thank you for P and Nick, for help, to get a successful win. And nothing I can do is just celebrate.